twice when I was asked to unveil Common Woman. I was actually thinking, is it right what I'm thinking that's going to happen? First of all, it's legendary to be a part of any initiative in the same genre what R.K. Lakshman sir started. A cartoon, or in a way, let's not call it even cartoon, it's something which can depict how a common woman feels. I mean, that's just very overwhelming. As I said, coming here where the brands that are made, that are brands start here, and to be a brand myself today who probably has reached a level where I can be of any good or of any value to a brand like R.K. Lakshman's granddaughter, I think it's a huge achievement. I feel, I mean, I was overwhelmed when I got to know this, and I didn't miss an opportunity to be here. And when she told me about the agenda, why she started it, I could relate to it so much. And then I probably understood, okay, why she probably would have thought of me. Yes, I'm a very, very proud common woman myself, and if there is anything that one common woman can do for a lot of common women, just like Ramanika, I think I'll be more than happy. This is nothing in front of what probably I'll be more than open to doing when it comes to common women. Yeah, I mean, what do you say? I think today is a part of history of my own life. I've been here. Yeah, so I'll remember this for the rest of my life. I show to my kids also.
Actually, what is something very common to you which you would like to work on any cause for women?
See, I keep doing that, right? The multiple. So let's just start with equality. Equality in education, equality where you have the right to say something, voice your opinions, where you have equality to stand for something which you believe in. You shouldn't be shying away or going away just because you're a woman. So when I say feminist, feminist doesn't mean someone who is going to ask for reservations, extra rights, an edge over the other gender. No, that's not called feminism. Feminism is something which works towards gender equality. So a lot of people misinterpret the meaning of feminism. So it's all about gender equality if you come to think of it, and that's what a common woman is going to stand for. So yeah, so here I am representing that. I'm very excited.
Okay, Tapsi, achievement comes with the responsibility also.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Doing something, even we feel it is
Yeah,
historical.
yeah.
We have seen R.K. Lakshman's work.
Yes, me, I've seen it myself.
Do you feel the sense of responsibility on your shoulder?
Yes,
Because
I do.
This is
I
the one
do.
you started,
Yes, I started feeling that a year back when Pink happened, and when people started looking up to me in a way, coming up to me and expecting me to do certain type of work. And of course, yes, I'm going to be, I want them to have expectations out of me. What's the worth of your life? I feel if people don't really take something back from you, I feel. So I genuinely wanted to be an actor also because I could influence the life of a lot of people. And if I'm going to use this, if I'm not going to use this medium to do that, then I don't think it's worth to use this medium. That's my definition of being an actor or public personality. I will definitely use it for the larger good, and I'm doing that. And that's called building a brand in a way where people probably look at you and feel that, okay, this is the direction that we should look at, or we should do, or we should just take an inspiration from. If I can inspire even if a bunch of people in this world, I think I'll be very successful. I'm ready to take this responsibility. I've been working towards it. So far going so good, and let's see what's in store next then.
As we're talking about business exhibition,
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
business, how good at you are at business? You are a business.
I think show business is a very big business, and building brand in show business is extremely difficult because there's so many people. So if you're uniquely identified for something special, that means you built a brand for yourself, and that's where I felt that's where I feel I'm headed. So yeah, so that's why I call it a big business. And apart from acting, which is a big business, of course, I have my own wedding planning company. I am a small startup businesswoman as well. Yeah, so there'll be multiple things in the future as well. Let's take one step at a time. And so far, I'm just happy that I have built that kind of a brand, which and a brand like R.K. Lakshman's granddaughter would want to associate with. I just feel, as I said, a sense of achievement.
Okay, Tapsi, कभी फ्यूचर में फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में कुछ प्लान?
नहीं, प्रोडक्शन नहीं, उधर फिल्म के अंदर एक्टिंग कर लूँ काफ़ी है, उससे ज़्यादा हिम्मत ही नहीं है करने की।
Okay, Tapsi came a long way. एक
हाँ।
बहुत कम वक्त में बहुत कामयाबी, बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएशन सबकी तरफ से, फिल्म क्रिटिक हो या मीडिया हो, किसी एक को या कुछ चुनिंदा लोगों को और आप शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहें, थैंक्स कहना चाहें, who is that person you want to thank wherever you are today,
आई थिंक क्लीशे हो जाता है, बट हाँ, वो लोग जो कि शायद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बाहर थे, जो सारे टाइम मैं गिरती तो मुझे उठाते थे, जिन्होंने मुझे सेंस दिया था कि मैं एक कॉमन वुमन हूँ, क्योंकि वो होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जब आप एक्टर बन रहे होते हैं, क्योंकि सेंस ऑफ रियलिटी छूट जाती है कहीं पे. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी रियल, वेरी ग्राउंडेड, वेरी नॉर्मल, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर माई फैमिली स्टेप्ड इन एंड माई फ्रेंड्स. आई टिल डेट हैव फ्रेंड्स हू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग व्हाट टू डू विद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. सो आई थिंक दोज आर द पीपल हु आर देयर supporting me from behind is why I was not scared to fall. That's why I kept on taking one risk after the other. That's my backbone.
Are you doing judo?
Yeah, you have to.
आपको ये डाउट ट्रेलर के रिलीज के एक दिन पहले आया था.
Yes, you were sure about it. How excited you are?
Sorry?
Current scenario, how are you excited with
जुड़वा कल.
अरे वो तो कल बात करते हैं ना, कल से मैं जुड़वा के बारे में बात
ओके, आज
करूँगी.
रैक में फैशन वीक में भी जा रही हैं आप,
हाँ जी,
वॉक
हाँ जी,
करने वाली हैं
हाँ
आप,
जी, हाँ
किस
जी.
डिजाइनर के लिए जा रही हैं?
दिव्या रेड्डी के लिए जा रही हूँ. वो अभी मैं इसके बाद से उसके अभी जो आई हूँ ना उसके बारे में बात कर लो प्लीज.
what do you
My
say
question is
about
like you said in your speech that you know you following R.K.
Yeah,
Lakshman ji.
yeah.
And how about now about women like
I've already told her I'm really looking forward to seeing it around very frequently, much more than R.K. Lakshman sir's, because this is associated with me in some way, so I'll obviously will be a little more selfish here. I would want to see her grow really, really big. So yeah, I mean that's what I just wish her luck, and as I said, I've made a history record for myself.
One question: what should be the road ahead for brands in modern day?
Yeah. So doesn't it look, yeah, young, sweet, like very like common woman, right? So that's very good way of interpretation. She didn't want to make her look, very unaccessible kind of a person. So someone who can be really real and believable. So yeah, perfect. I think perfectly portrayed.
So Virji, this is one of your dreams, right?
To be a common woman.
Oh,
Oh, this was not a dream that I didn't really dream of. Like I didn't even realize that this day would come and I'll be here starting off this common woman. I mean, that's what I said. That's I'm really excited. That's why this is like when you're taken aback with some good news. That's the reaction.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Veda. Okay,
Thank you.